This case is the law. So if you think it's unjust, tell me why.
I think a mock class is beneficial to someone interested in law school because law school really presents new challenges that people don't necessarily expect.
You had what in your blood? That's crazy.
A mock class gives you a chance to see exactly what you're going to be doing when you're here.
The Socratic method is a tool that a lot of law professors use, and so I'm going to ask you questions, and I'm often going to follow them up with other questions and just give it your best shot.
I definitely think that mock classes should be interactive, engaging,
How do I find that out?
just like a regular classroom should be.
Let's go back to some of those facts.
And that's easier if they are excited about what's happening.
And so the confrontation clause is really important here.
It's amazing seeing students being so engaged in a mock class. It's the whole reason we do this.